In this video, we will learn how to convert JPG to PDF. So let's start. Here I have a one JPG file. So I just right click on this file and I show you the properties. In properties, you can see the type of file JPG file. Okay. So this file I'm going to convert in PDF. So right click on this file and here click on the open with option. In open with, click on the photos and here the JPG file is open. Okay, then click on this print option. Now select here the Microsoft Print to PDF is default selected. If you're not selected, just click on this drop down arrow and you can see here the option Microsoft Print to PDF. Then click on the print option and this JPG will convert it in PDF documents. So I enter here the name 2docs, okay, 2doc, and click on save. That's it. I close this JPG. Okay, so I just close and here you can see the PDF is converted. So here you can see the 2docs photos in PDF. Okay, so this is the way you can convert the JPG to PDF. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.